Imagine turning $100 into $4.2 million. You guys, I know that's crazy, right? But that's the bold prediction for Shiba Inu. And could it actually hit $1? I really want to break it down. I keep seeing it on the lives. I keep seeing it on the Patreon. So let's talk about it today. Welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Today, I really want to deep dive into one of the boldest predictions I have seen in the crypto space. And this is by a reputable exchange named CoinW. Shiba Inu could rally 4,166,567% to reach $1. And the major question is that realistic? Let's look at SHIB's past, its current price, and whether its milestone is even mathematically possible. And I want to show you guys a day trade that I've been taking here today. So let's pull up the chart. Okay, so quick, I'll run through the day trade, then I'll delete it. If you guys are day trading or looking at it, you can 50x SHIB in an open position using the BTCC link below. Mine does have a free 10K for you guys. So if you use it and do a deposit bonus, you're going to get up to $10,000. So it's literally free money in the description. And I'm going to show you guys how easy this is. If you saw yesterday's video, there was two support points. We saw, well, one major support point, but we saw it hit here and we saw it hit here. So we knew that it was time to go long, right? And we saw the rest of the market start rebounding. So when we saw this, we wanted to take the next position that was close to this liquidity point, and we actually caught it right on the bottom here. And within that, we were able to put a small 1.54% loss, which is technically 3 on the margin amount. But then I also am able to do a larger take profit because we're shooting for a 10%. We're hoping that it hits this past previous resistance, which was also support in many spots. And let's look at the week mark. Why? Just because we want to see the price action from the bold prediction that we're talking about. It is assuming that it's going to do all of this plus some, because this had only reached it to 0.0009. We are looking for it to reach $1, which is just astronomical projection numbers wise. And I don't want to bullcrap you guys and say it's totally doable. Chart wise, I don't know. Right? But now let's go over the fundamentals, right? Now, this prediction that we're talking about here came from CoinW's recent poll on Twitter, right? Where they're basically now X, where they're basically asking users which crypto milestone would happen first. Ethereum hitting 10K, Doge reaching $1, BNB hitting a rack, or SHIB hitting $1. And unsurprisingly, SHIB's community is strong, and that target stood out to be the most ambitious. Now, historically, Shiba Inu has pulled back some miracles before. Like, I didn't ever assume that it was going to pull any of that off, but it did. Now, it basically rose by an unbelievable 150 million% from its all-time low at its peak. Now, remember the story of investors who basically turned 8K into $5.7 billion during SHIB's initial rally. And that possibility isn't entirely out of the question, but can lightning strike twice? Now, analyzing it, is this realistic, right? Now, experts are undescribably skeptical, and I am too. Now, for SHIB to hit $1, its market cap would need to exceed not just Bitcoin or Ethereum's, but basically the entire global economy by a lot, you guys. And that's just assuming we're at the current supply rate now. Now, platforms like Telegon suggest that SHIB could reach $1, but not anytime soon. They actually predict that there's going to be a gradual rise over several decades, possibly hitting $1 by 2050 through steady growth and continuous adoption within the market. So while this is not looking like it's going to happen next week statistically using analysis or even this decade, it does fuel the community's ambitious spirit. Now, whether or not SHIB ever reaches $1, one thing is for sure: the crypto world loves a good underdog story, and SHIB has always defined that. It has already defied expectations in the past, you guys, and it's the community that is not stopping anytime soon. So what do you think? Now, moonshot or just madness? Okay, let us know in the comments. And one more thing, if you're looking for a way to track your crypto journey and file your taxes correctly, we can help you create those reports using BCM. I've got the link below. Me and a couple of nerdy YouTubers are able actually to do this with the team, so don't hesitate. Reach out to us. We're giving away free 15-minute consultations now. We'll see you guys on the next one, and make sure you're protected from crypto taxes this year. And also, more importantly, don't stop trading. Don't miss this bull market. I'll catch you on the next one.